Hey, my stylish friends! Today, I'm introducing one of the most trending and searched for outfits of every year. A timeless piece that never goes out of style and always stays on trend. This outfit is truly a must-have essential. You can wear it anywhere: friendly gatherings, cozy cafe dates, autumn getaways, or even dreamy photo shoots in nature. Want to know why everyone's obsessed with it? Let's find out! Today, we're about to uncover a secret that fashion designers have used for years to create their most iconic looks. A piece that doesn't just change how you look, but how you feel. A blouse that speaks the language of comfort while whispering elegance and femininity. And yes, with this pattern, you can sew your own zipper hoodie or pullover hoodie. Its gentle warmth in the cool air, the soft, flattering fit on your body, and that feminine grace that makes you shine brighter than ever. This unique hoodie is a blend of cozy autumn vibes, princess charm, and smart design. Stay with me, because you're about to find out why this simple piece became one of the most loved outfits ever. The length of this blouse, including the ribbed hem, usually ranges between 65 to 75 centimeters, and it features long sleeves with ribbed cuffs. In terms of style, this design sits perfectly between casual and feminine, making it ideal for both everyday sporty looks and for creating a soft, elegant vibe when paired with a fitted pair of pants or a short skirt. My stylish friend, I'm curious. Where are you from? Tell me in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now so you'll never miss my new videos and sewing tips again. Thanks to its lightweight feel and natural fit, this blouse has become one of the most popular choices for the fall and winter seasons. Not too thick to feel heavy and not too thin to let the cold in. The best fabric options include rib knit, tricot for a stretchy, elegant silhouette, light brushed fleece or melange d'ors fabric for warmer versions, cotton lycra for a soft, natural texture. The fabric is usually fine knit and elastic, with a medium weight of around 240 to 280 GSM, which gives the blouse a flattering drape on the body while staying wrinkle-resistant. In professional tailoring, when this design is made in a longer version, it's called a hoodie dress, usually falling around the hips or upper thighs. The shorter version is often known as a casual hoodie top or a sweatshirt dress. In the 2024-2025 fashion trends, this style has become a major favorite under the categories of soft feminine streetwear and romantic casual wear, especially trending across Pinterest and TikTok. For this design, slightly thicker fabrics with medium stretch are used to enhance the body's shape while keeping it comfortable and warm. You can go for light stretch velvet for a more luxurious look, or choose melange knit fabric for a sportier, everyday style. Fabric texture, fine knit and textured, featuring ribbed lines or a double knit structure. Fabric requirement. For blouse sizes XS to L, you'll need about 1 meter of fabric. And for sizes XL to 2XL, around 1.20 meters is recommended. This outfit is incredibly versatile, perfect for autumn cafe outings and casual walks, coffee cake, a chic student or street-style look, a cozy yet luxurious home outfit, or even for light travel and outdoor adventures. It combines sporty comfort with feminine elegance, too, and with a bit of styling, like knee-high boots and a slim leather belt, it can easily transform into a modern princess-inspired city look. To measure the neckband, rib cuff, size accurately, first, measure half of the neckline, both front and back, on your blouse pattern. Then subtract about 6 centimeters from that measurement. This is because we're using rib knit cuffs, which have great elasticity, so once sewn, they'll stretch perfectly to match the neckline opening. However, if you're using a fabric with low stretch, and you plan to make the neckband, sleeve cuffs, or hem from the same fabric, you'll need to measure around your head and then adjust the neckline band according to the fabric's stretch percentage. By the way, I've already shared a full tutorial on this blouse design. You can check it out later. It also includes tips on sewing rib cuffs around the neckline, sleeve edges, and bottom hem. My stylish and classy friend? Hit that subscribe button now so you'll never miss any of my new videos and sewing tips again. Bye. So how was the tutorial so far? I'd really love to know your thoughts. Your feedback helps me share even better lessons with you. By the way, if you'd like to learn more sewing designs, make sure to check out my playlist. You'll find lots of step-by-step tutorials that can truly inspire your creations. And there's another similar tutorial with extra sewing tips right here on my channel. Be sure to watch it after this video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of the new lessons. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, leave me a comment and give it a big like. That way, I can understand your taste better and create future lessons based exactly on what you love. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now because even more exciting designs and tutorials are on the way. The front kangaroo pocket is one of the most distinctive details of this design, both practical and comfortable, while keeping the outfit's sporty and modern vibe. For an extra touch of elegance, the pocket area or the edge of the hood is sometimes decorated with matching lace or stretch mesh, adding a soft, feminine charm to the overall look. This piece beautifully blends feminine elegance with minimal, romantic sport style, radiating a sense of softness, confidence, and effortless chic. For this design, slightly thicker fabrics with medium stretch are recommended, so the hoodie keeps its shape while staying warm and comfortable. And plus conditions. For sizes XS to L, you'll need about 1.30 meters of fabric, and for sizes XL to 2XL, around 1.50 meters of fabric will be required. What's the secret behind its popularity? It's the simplicity, the kind that never goes out of style. A design that blends effortlessly with every look, every shape, and every season. You're not just wearing a piece of clothing, you're living a new feeling of yourself. This hoodie isn't just a stitch. It's your signature in the world of fashion. This isn't just a hoodie, it's a feeling, a blend of autumn warmth and feminine softness. A piece that, the moment you wear it, makes the world feel gentler, unique, different, and just like a modern-day princess. Now it's your turn. Tell me, what color or fabric pattern would you choose to make it your own? Drop a comment and share which fabric or texture you'd love to use for this blouse or hoodie design. For both the blouse and hoodie versions, the amount of rib-knit cuff fabric you'll need for the different parts is as follows. For the sleeve cuffs, bottom hemband, and neckband for the blouse only, you'll need about 20 to 25 centimeters of rib-knit fabric for each section. However, for the hoodie, you don't need a neckband since the hood replaces the neckline finish. At this stage, the half edge of the hood that connects to the neckline should be about 2 to 2.5 centimeters longer than the neckline itself. This extra length is sewn as an overlap at the front of the hoodie, exactly along the center front line. However, if you're planning to add a zipper to your hoodie, this extra space at the hood edge should be shaped into a dart, which is closed and stitched on the fabric, so that the hood edge attaches neatly and precisely to the zipper line. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, leave me a comment and give it a big like. That way, I can understand your taste better and create future lessons based exactly on what you love. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now, because even more exciting designs and tutorials are on the way. See how those tiny little details can completely change your final result? Now imagine, if you keep learning these tips one by one, you'll be able to sew the most elegant and unique outfits. And this is just the beginning. There are so many more designs filled with beautiful sewing secrets and creative ideas. So come on, let's keep going and discover the next design together.